Before we start, we need to take you behind the scenes of our character's evolution and tell you why we changed it. It all began not so long time ago, when we introduced our first character. Kiara was a lovable but mischievous character who would always find herself in the wackiest situations. Thought we had struck gold with her. But as time went on, we realized something was missing. Technical issues without no repairs could not make her more vivid. So we decided to come up with a new and improved version. If the first version was a combination of AI, drawing and celebrity characteristics, the second one it's only an AI variable of the previous one with slack details changed. A character that could not only educate people but also engage them on a deeper level. And that's when lightbulb moment happened. We wanted to bring a whole new dimension to our videos, complete with epic stories and mind-blowing informations. Plus, who doesn't love a new, more attractive Supergirl, right? But the transformation wasn't easy. Faced some challenges along the way. We tried all major AI tools, generating almost 1,000 images. It was a journey with a few embarrassing choices. And voila! We present to you the new and improved Kiara AI. The response from our incredible community we expect to be positive. Also hope you enjoyed this peek behind the curtain, and as always, stay tuned for more creativity coming your way. Hey there, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I have an exciting topic to discuss. We're diving into the world of artificial intelligence and creating our very own character or avatar using AI. So, grab a pen and paper, and let's get started. Before we jump into the technical details, let's first understand what we mean by creating a character or avatar with AI. Essentially, we'll be using AI technology to generate a unique digital representation of a person, whether it's for a video game, virtual reality, or even an animated film. It's like bringing our imagination to life. The possibilities are limitless. Sure, avatars can be used for boring things like customer service and onboarding employees, but I'm hoping one day I might even be a news anchor or an actress. Maybe to see me in a Super Bowl commercial. So to continue learning how to use artificial intelligence, now would be a perfect time to subscribe to this channel. Let's rumble. Now, there are several AI platforms, tools, or programs available that can assist us in this process. Today, I'll walk you through all the steps necessary. But remember, there are other possible ways to do this. Step 1 is all about preparing the concept for our character. Start by brainstorming ideas for their appearance, personality, and backstory. Are they a hero, a villain, a chat girl, a beauty queen, or something entirely unique? Take time and let creativity flow. Once we have a clear concept in mind, it's time to gather visual references. Search for images, illustrations, or even sketches that match the look we're envisioning for the character. This will help the AI understand our preferences better. The first thing we're going to do is to generate the initial image of our character. We will use an AI image generator called Leonardo.ai because it's free and we can iterate more images. Going forward, we will use a prompt with a full body portrait tag. After we just select whichever image that we would like to use for our character. If we would like to try a different prompt, we could do that. The key to getting the best character is just trying different prompts until we really come up with the one that it's perfect for the job. Any image we choose to go ahead, we need to upscale it. Leonardo.ai has 4 possible tweaks here: HD smooth, crisp, or alternate upscale, plus if we need also a background remover. Why we do this? Because upscaling, we're going to pull up the high definition version of our image. We will download it to our computer, and if we'd like to just go ahead and use that image for our character, we can do that and use it to generate our video. However, we're going also to generate a few variations of this character to ensure we have it in several different settings. We might need them later. Through this process several times, eventually, we'll kind of get the process figured out and we'll learn how to create fairly consistent characters. But for the sake of this video, we're just going to go ahead and stick with this one right here. Okay, let's do this. We need first to write a good prompt so we generate some quality images. As you see here in Leonardo.ai, we have this simple prompt, but you should write one more complex. After we ensure we have Leonardo style button activated and Leonardo diffusion model in line, we can go further. Do not get complacent, it's an easy process. As you can see, we need images at 768x1024px, so we have a good frontal one. Guidance scale should be 8 or 9 based on the prompt strength. For the sake of the example here, and to have a better looking images, we uploaded an image in the style we think we need the character. We will do this to influence what the model will generate. Image weight is a 0.9 and prompt magic at 0.4. The next step is to verify how many images to generate in this instance, so we go up and check. We go with 2 images and press the big generate button on the left. It will take around 15 to 20 seconds for the AI to complete the task. As you can see, we played more with image dimensions, so you can understand why you should choose a right one based on what you need. We eventually choose this one in blue, and we will start upscaling it. You can see we didn't lie. It's the same in the video. Doesn't matter the order in which we do the upscaling. We go further with all versions of upscale. It will take some time. If you need to remove background, it will cost you 2 tokens. The others upscales costs 5 tokens each. You should be aware that in your free plan you have daily only 150 tokens, so use them wisely or wait another day. In the free plan, which most will have, we cannot use the creative upscale because it's a feature only for premium users. You should not be worried, the others features are also good to generate a fine and beautiful image to use later. Every upscale lasts 10 to 15 seconds, therefore not so much time lost. After we do all this, we press on the picture upscaled and we save it on our PC. We should save it more times choosing the format with no background with smooth upscale and so on. If we don't like what we did, we can try it once more until the AI will give us what we desire. Moving on, it's time to generate the script that suits our needs. Now that we have the images of our character, we're going to generate this script for our character/avatar, and we are going to use ChatGPT to generate it. If we know what we want our avatar to say, there's no reason to generate a script, but it can definitely make things easier if we have writer's block. Make sure to be as specific or as vague as you want. As mentioned earlier, I'll be demonstrating how easy it is, but feel free to explore other ideas and AI tools and choose the one that resonates more with your style. Now comes the exciting part. After we generate a script in ChatGPT, from there we copy the script and we're going to go ahead and generate the audio now. The video AI generator tool that we'll be using does also generate audio, however I don't think it's the highest quality, but we will use it anyway. We're going to a website called d-id.com. Let's dive there. With the AI tool platform of our choice open, it's time to input our preferences. Once we log into account, if we don't have one already, we can sign up free for one. On the right up, we can click on the button, Create Video. But first we will add our image, created in Leonardo.ai. We can use the tool preset images, but I don't recommend them. After we place the script, be aware every word takes of our credits. If we are on a free plan, we have only 20 credits, which means around 10 minutes. We can make adjustments like language, voices, and styles in the audio. Also, we can record or upload our own voice. Once we've provided the initial preferences, the AI will generate a video based on those inputs and script. Yes, we know that a character isn't complete without their unique traits. In the Left on Video library, we will see all our videos. Be smart and do not use the credits fast. At first generation, we might make some mistakes. Congratulations! We've reached the final step. It's all about exporting our newly created video character or avatar. Press download and save it on our PC. Do not forget we can listen to our creation before we press the create button. Also, we can add a 0.5 seconds break, which is very useful for long videos and starting paragraphs, or we can let AI continue our script. Yes, this AI tool can help in writing our script. And that's a wrap, folks. We did it. We have a video with our own avatar. So we got where we wanted. We've explored the exciting world of creating characters or avatars with AI tools. Remember, the possibilities are endless, and it's all about letting our imagination run wild. If we still need to polish our videos, we can use a video editing software called Descript to remove the background and add in our own good background. It's extremely easy to use. Once we get logged in, we just click on New Project and then we can select whichever template we would like. Use drag and drop and add another background. And after a couple of minutes, we just like that have successfully generated videos with our talking AI power avatar. That's pretty good, mainly because we used free AI tools in the process. You know, that's always nice, and I hope you enjoyed this step-by-step instructions. If you have any questions about any of this, just let me know down in the comments. Moreover, if you've got any value out of the video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share it around. See you next time.